Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be discussing the construction of hypothesis. Many of the people they find it difficult to construct hypothesis. So the simple trick is just recall the definition of null hypothesis. Now, what is null hypothesis? Null hypothesis is the hypothesis of no effect, and it is the hypothesis that is to be tested for possible rejection. So as its definition says, it's the hypothesis of null effect. You have to put the statement that shows the null effect. For example, if you have a product, a treatment for example, and you want to check whether it is effective or not, of course you want this product to be effective, for example. So what you would do, you would just write in null hypothesis that the treatment has no effect versus the treatment is effective. So what I did, I just wrote the treatment has no effect in the null hypothesis because I'm not interested in this statement. I'm interested in the statement that the treatment is effective. So whatever statement or whatever the thing is, if you are interested in that, just put that thing in the alternate hypothesis, and the part of the research in which you are not interested, or the result of the research in which you are not interested, just put that in the null hypothesis. I'll give you another example. For example, I'm interested, I want to have the result that the average age of a person is greater than 60, for example. Now, I don't want that the average age be less than or equal to 60. So, what I will do, remember that the sample may give me any kind of results. The results will depend on the data I have collected, but I'm constructing hypothesis, so I will construct it based on my interest. So what I will do, I will just write in the null hypothesis that the average age is less than or equal to 60 versus the average age is greater than 60. So by using this concept or this technique, you can construct null hypothesis. One thing to remember is that you have three signs, like for example greater, less or equal. Like for example, I may be older than you, like my age is greater than you, my age is less than you, or my age is equal to you, for example. Now we have these three possibilities. There is no any other possibility, na? So there is greater sign, equal sign, and less than sign. So the hypothesis, both the hypothesis, the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis, must contain all these three signs. If your null hypothesis has the sign equal, like if I write H naught, the average age is equal to 60, then and write H1 as the average age not equal to 60. Now this not equal to shows that the average age can be less than 60 or greater than 60. So greater, less, these two signs are in the alternate hypothesis, and equality sign is in the null hypothesis. So all three signs are there. So be careful while constructing the hypothesis, like all these three signs must be in the hypothesis. And remember, anything that you want to reject, just put that in the null hypothesis. Thank you.